Getting fit isn't a walk in the park. It takes determination, motivation, willpower, and a healthy sprinkle of resilience. One of the toughest hurdles is simply taking that first step. Once you leap over that hurdle, congratulations. You've done something many people find challenging. And once you start seeing results, it becomes almost impossible to quit. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily tips and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We're here to support you every step of the way. Getting started. Embarking on your fitness journey doesn't require a gym full of equipment. For beginners, the most crucial aspect is ensuring your diet is in check. After all, abs are built in the kitchen. If you want to get fit, start by tackling your nutrition. Focus on whole foods, plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Remember, hydration is also key. Drink plenty of water to keep your body functioning optimally. Once your diet is on point, it's time to perfect your workout routine. If you've been aiming for a healthier lifestyle or want to exercise more but feel a bit lost, these 5 exercises are perfect for beginners eager to make a positive change in just 4 weeks. Each exercise targets multiple muscle groups, ensuring you get the most out of your workout time. Remember, proper form is key to preventing injury. If you're unsure about any exercise, consult a professional before proceeding. Now, let's explore 5 simple exercises that will transform your body in 4 weeks. Number 1. The plank. The plank is a core powerhouse, strengthening your abs, shoulders, and back. It's one of the most crucial exercises you can do, fortifying your core and helping with posture. A strong core not only enhances your athletic performance but also supports your daily activities, like lifting groceries or even just sitting at a desk. To perform a plank, get into a push-up position, bend your elbows at a 90-degree angle, and rest your weight on your forearms. Ensure your elbows are right under your shoulders, and your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core by pulling your stomach in, and hold that position. Start with 30 seconds, gradually increasing the duration as you progress. It may seem easy at first, but trust me, it's a challenge that will pay off. Number 2. The push-up. Push-ups are one of the classics, old but gold. They target multiple muscle groups, including your forearms, chest, shoulders, back, abs, and legs, while also engaging your core. Plus, they're a fantastic way to build upper body strength and endurance. To perform a push-up, place your hands on the ground directly beneath your shoulders. Tighten your core, keep your body straight, and lower yourself toward the floor. Keep your back flat and push yourself back up, maintaining that straight line throughout the movement. If regular push-ups are too challenging, feel free to modify them by performing them on your knees. Every push-up counts, so just focus on making progress. Number 3. The squat. Squats are the ultimate compound movement, working your core, legs, glutes, and back. They're essential for strengthening your joints and improving balance, making them a must-have in any fitness routine. Plus, they mimic everyday movements, so you'll find yourself moving more easily in daily life. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your chest up. Bend your knees and push your hips back, as if sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your head up and your back slightly arched. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor, pressing your weight into your heels. Push through your heels to return to standing. Start with your body weight, and as you improve, feel free to add weights. Remember, it's all about form. Your knees should not extend past your toes. Number 4. The bird dog. The bird dog is a fantastic exercise for your core and lower back, helping improve overall balance. It strengthens your back, especially the lumbar spine, and enhances coordination, an important factor in any fitness journey. Plus, it's a low-impact exercise, making it suitable for almost everyone. To perform a bird dog, get on all fours, keeping your core tight and your spine neutral. Your knees should be beneath your hips, and your wrists beneath your shoulders. Slowly extend your left leg until it's parallel to the floor, then lift your right arm, keeping it straight and parallel to the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then lower your arm and leg. Alternate sides, and aim for 10 repetitions on each side. This exercise is like a balancing act, perfect for building coordination. Number 5. The glute bridge. The glute bridge primarily targets your glutes but also engages your core and hips, making it a key exercise for preventing lower back pain. A strong gluteus maximus can significantly improve your posture and athletic performance, as well as reduce the risk of injury. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, arms at your sides. Slowly lift your hips, creating a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement and hold for a few seconds before lowering back down. Aim for 15 repetitions. Not only does this exercise strengthen your backside, but it also gives you that satisfying feeling of accomplishment. Remember, achieving a healthy body and great overall physique takes months, if not years, of dedication and hard work. Give yourself a head start by trying these exercises for 4 weeks, and watch how your strength and body improve. You'll likely notice increased energy levels and better mood, too. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen. Incorporate healthy eating into your lifestyle. A balanced exercise routine combined with a nutritious diet will significantly improve your mental and physical health. If you have underlying health conditions or injuries, be sure to discuss safe exercises with your doctor. Consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but maintaining a regular workout routine combined with healthy eating will lead to gradual changes in your physique and overall health. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Every push-up, every squat, every plank counts toward your goals. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. So, are you ready to take that first step? Let's get moving together, and don't forget to share your progress with us. We're here to cheer you on every step of the way.